Let's see. Not. See where that chopping block comes in handy? Makes for a more solid base. This ground is real spongy. One more little chop. Nice, right there. It's a nice stick of wood. And there's enough for another load. Thanks everyone for watching, for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this little series. Hope you've been enjoying the other series as well, and the learning curve of the ported 500i and other saws in between there. Working with chain, different length of chain, 32-inch bar, falling, bucking, 28-inch bar, falling, bucking. I'm learning it pretty good. It's a very, very nice saw to run. I love it. But thank you everyone for watching and hanging out with us. I really do appreciate it. I figured I'd throw this in the pickup today just because I love it so much. 28C handle from Whiskey River. It's beautiful. Little 3.5 pound Jersey. Woo! Man, it's a dandy. It surprises me every time I bring it out. I just love this little axe. This and my Velvicut, and it's on a 30C, and it acts a lot the same. The handle can do a lot for an axe head. And just any axe head can help you. Find the one that's comfortable for your hand, for your swing. Very nice. Another nice load of wood into the wood hole. And even if they do log it, I guess I can say that I got to drive in on the nice road at least one time. Thank you, Morning Wood, for all the information on the road and the situation up here with the logging and all that kind of stuff. I really appreciate it, man. And hopefully sometime we can hook up. I just hope they don't ruin Johnny Arnett and Old Timers retirement real estate. Oh, anyway, I love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned and stay sharp and learn to sharpen. And help somebody have a better day. Okay? Even if that somebody is you. Help people.